Hello, grade 9. Today we will start a new lesson which is talking about the cell structure and the organelles that exist in the eukaryotic cells. Let's watch this video together, please.
Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common, no matter what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane, which separates the inside of the cell from its environment, cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cells. They have organelles, which include the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced, complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane-enclosed organelles. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one-celled or unicellular organisms, such as bacteria.
So, as we learned in the previous lesson, we learned that the two categories of cells, they have similarities or they share some characteristics, which are both of them they have cell membrane, both of them have DNA, the genetic material, and both of them have cytoplasm. Where are the differences between them? That eukaryotic cells, they have a nucleus in which the DNA is enclosed inside, and they have membrane-bound organelles, while the prokaryotic cells, they don't have membrane-bound organelles either, and they don't have a nucleus.
So, what are organelles? Organelle means little organ. Organelles are the specialized parts of a cell that have unique jobs to perform.
So that means that in organelles, an organelle has a specific job. Each organelle in the cell has a specific job to do. Okay, so the cell could be able to make all the processes of life.
Start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA, or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it.
So the DNA is located inside the nucleus, all right? And the DNA is, we can call it as a controller, okay, or the instructor, okay? It gives instructions for the cell, what to do and what the cell needs. It will instruct the cell for everything it needs, okay? So it's a controller of the cell. And this DNA also has the genetic material that give you your traits and characteristics.
Chromatin is the tangled, spread out form of DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, DNA condenses into structures known as chromosomes.
So DNA will be in the form of chromatins, and when the cell is ready to divide, the DNA will condense into structures of chromosomes.
The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made.
One of the important structures are the ribosomes, and these ribosomes are factories of proteins, okay? So these ribosomes are synthesized in the nucleolus. This is the nucleolus. This is the nucleolus, if you can see here, this part. So, as we said, the cell,
the nucleus also,
or the nucleus, it has two main parts inside it, the DNA and and the nucleolus. The nucleolus is the main part of the inside the nucleus in which the ribosomes are synthesized. And ribosomes are very important structures that are considered as protein factories.
Also contains a nucleolus, which is a structure where ribosomes are made.
Can you see the ribosomes? After they are synthesized, these ribosomes will leave the nucleus through these holes, going out to the cytoplasm.
Leave the nucleus. They will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins.
Okay. All right. We will finish till here today, and on Sunday we will continue. Guys, take care and see you.